So today I'm here with my daughter and we are going to be reviewing these Nike Court Royale high top sneakers for women, and she just got this pair. I think she's excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
I'm here with my wife and we are going to do a quick review of these men's Nike Court Royale 2s. She got these after really liking my daughter's women's Court Royale, and she heard that the men's were better made. Is there any other reason that you're trying the men's?
Yes, because usually men's shoes are made wider and in the toe box, and I have wide feet.
Okay.
Also because they were out of my size in women's.
All right, so she's going to give you a first impression and opinion, but then we're going to also have her wear them for a while before we tell you our full opinion. All right, want to open that box?
Yep.
Get a close-up look here. They look good in the box. How excited are you?
Pretty excited.
Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. I like the way they look.
Yeah.
You want to open that box? Oh yeah, they're pretty cool. You had already tried them on in a different size and we had to order these ones, and so you know what they feel like, right?
Yes.
All right. They're really pretty.
Yeah.
How do they feel so far?
They feel really good. They're very comfy.
They feel really good, you say?
Yeah, and they're very comfy.
Okay, let's take a look here. You kind of step around a little bit in the camera. Do they feel very comfy?
Yes.
Anything else you think about them, like the way you would describe them?
Not sure. They're just very comfortable.
Okay.
And they look very cool.
All right, and so I see you've only got them partway laced up. You'll have to see how that feels. Well, they look nice on you.
Yep.
Do they feel like they're the right size?
They do.
We know you like them, so what we'll do then is we'll come back to you in about a week and we're going to ask if you still like them, okay?
That sounds good. I actually didn't even want them originally, but I looked for winter shoes that are a little higher and well made, doesn't have holes in them, and classy looking, sporty looking, but still nothing special. And these black ones, when I looked at them, I thought, and look at this fluffy tongue. This fluffy tongue is just such a great addition. I think it's winterized. The fluffy tongue and the leathery feel, so it's perfect for winter. I wanted to get something for the winter that I can just walk around in my jeans, in my workout clothes, and last thing I thought I would get these, but more I looked at these, more I thought, yes, these are the ones that meet the criteria for a sturdy, sporty, and classy pair of shoes that I wouldn't mind to have. And warm too.
First impression, what does it feel like putting them on?
Feels very good. Wow, they feel nice and sturdy. They hold my ankles a little bit. They are comfy. They are quite flat. I don't like a big incline in my soles. It has some, but doesn't feel like a lot.
Okay, so you're just talking about the heel to toe drop. It's not super high heels, right?
Not. And they are super cute. You see how classy they are? They are straight here on the top. Some of the other Nikes go down here. I like this straight top feeling because it looks more like some kind of a boot. A classy, sporty winter pair of shoes.
And so the first impression is they feel good. You feel good walking in them?
Very good. Very natural, right size, true to its size. I love them so far.
Okay, so we're gonna let you go ahead then. And you were a 10 in women's then, and this is an 8.5?
This is an 8.5, yes.
Okay, so
I like it more roomy lately, so it's nice and comfy. Plus, because winter, I wanted to be able to put some thick socks.
Okay, so would you say that the 8.5 then is slightly bigger than a 10 in women's?
Probably a half size bigger, but I don't mind that. I wanted it to be nice and loose. With these kind of shoes, I feel like they already are so boxy and so tied in that I wanted a little bigger.
Well, we'll let you go ahead and wear these for a little while and we'll report back.
That sounds good. See you soon.
This young lady has been wearing these Nike Court Royale women's shoes for about 4 to 5 months. Let's just hear, how do you feel about these shoes after 4 to 5 months?
I like them a lot. They're definitely comfy and easy to put on.
Can we get a little turnaround with them? She's kept them in pretty good shape after wearing them for 4 to 5 months. If you compare these to all of the other shoes that you've ever owned, are these on the high end or the low end?
These are on the higher end for sure.
Okay, I know you recently got a pair of the Converse Chuck Taylor High Street Mids. Which shoe do you like better out of the women's Nike Court Royale and the Converse High Street Mids?
Honestly, on looks, I'd say they're about the same, but on comfort, these ones are definitely much comfier. They definitely feel a lot better on your feet.
So I am here with my wife. She's going to sum up her experience. She has been wearing these shoes for about a couple of months now. We want to just get her opinion based upon her experience. We know that you like these from the beginning. And I also want to say, we know that you wear a 10 in women's and you wear an 8.5 in men's, and that these are the men's Court Royale 2s. How was the size for you? How do you feel about picking that size?
Oh, the size was perfect. I have wider feet, and the toe box of this is wider. These are literally hugging my feet. This was the right way for me to go 8.5 in men's.
A woman who wears a size 10, you would recommend that they go about a size and a half smaller in the men's. We'll go ahead and take a close-up look. She's had them for a couple of months. And have you worn them quite a bit?
Oh, I wore them probably 3, 4, 5 times a week.
How do you like them now compared to what you perceived them to be when you first got them?
I absolutely love them, the same as I felt about them when I got them. They go with everything, they're comfortable. I spend a lot of time at the gym. I can wear them at the gym. I can work out in these shoes. So they are athletic and classy and dressy at the same time. They are high rise, so I can wear them even in colder weather. I ride my bike a lot, and this is perfect outside. It keeps me very warm.
I know that you like these ones outside based upon what you had told me before. They're good for kind of weather, right?
Yes, in rain and snow, they work very well.
Is there anything that you didn't like about them?
I just want them in another color too. Because black is very limited of what you can wear it with. Even though it goes with a lot of things, I would like to have a playful light color as well.
And so I know that you have a lot of different shoes and that you like different shoes for different reasons. So why don't you tell me, what are these shoes for? Who, maybe, or what kind of activities are these shoes for?
Casual walk around for sure. You can wear them. They're very comfortable. They're not going to blister you up. You don't feel like you have to take them off. As I said, athletic. You can do any kind of gym exercise time in them, especially in colder weather. And they're very stylish, complementary to any outfit.
So you feel good about them for both sporty things like athletic things and for casual wear?
Yes, I can wear them with jeans or I can wear them with leggings.
I know that you had recently got these Converse Chuck Taylor High Street Mids, and I know from what you said before that you like both of them. Do you have one that you like overall better?
That's a very hard comparison because these are high tops, so they are slightly harder to put them on than the mid tops. So that one is challenging sometimes. For me, it's hard to put them on sometimes. So I try to put them on and wear them for hours and not take them off. But that said, they also keep my ankles nice and warm. So which one do I like better overall? That's why I bought them both, so I can alternate them. Okay, well what I'm getting based on what I've heard you say is that the Court Royales are good for weather, and they're also not as easy to put on. So, but you feel like they're complementary to each other. That's exactly. So if I feel like wearing a heavier shoe, that would be the Nikes. If I want to be really casual with a pair of jeans, the Converse are really easy to put on and just run around it. And that was our men's Court Royale 2 on a woman, obviously. I love them. Do you really love them? So that was our review of the Nike Court Royale high top sneakers. We hope you liked it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video, and we will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I